I'm going to demonstrate now how to trim a short hairstyle. And again, I will choose to wet Manfred's hair a little bit. It's always easier to cut wet hair. So you could use a spray bottle, and you start all the way on top at the roots and comb the hair straight down. And Manfred also just wants to have a little trim, just very little. So again, I will start in the middle. This is always my starting point. Nape of the neck in the middle. I take the hair down and cut a little bit. You can also cut freestyle. Remember, it's just like cutting paper. And then I'll turn Manfred around, turn the ear over slightly. Take your time when you actually cut the hair, and this will guarantee a great outcome. And carefully cut the way down. If you're right-handed, this side is easier to cut than the left side. I comb it forward a little bit, take the extra hair off, and now I'm also going to check the contours of the front part, and I will just take it in between my fingers and again trim it lightly. So now I did from this middle point all the way to the middle point in the front, and now I do the other side. Chin fold, yeah, perfect. See, now as a right-handed person, I work my way up, but now the other side was easier. I just needed to come down. Now I basically have to come up, or I have to do this move, which is a little harder for beginners. So we're going to do the easy version, working our way up. And of course, if you're left-handed, it's the other way around. Then the right side will be more challenging for you, and the left side will be easier. So this was a basic trim. I will use a shaver and trim the hair off the neck. And I'm brushing the little hairs away. You can also just take a towel. So this was a basic cutting the contours of a short hairstyle, and you can see it's just a subtle difference, but it probably will last 2-3 weeks longer now. I hope that this demonstration has inspired you and encouraged you to say yes next time someone asks you, can you trim my hair?